Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and let me show you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now we have to scroll and find General Management. Let's tap on it, and as you can see on the fourth position we've got the reset option, so let's tap. And on the second position we've got reset network settings, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you that this operation will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, click on Reset Settings. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, then enter to confirm and click on Reset again. And as you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. So that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy M11. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.